Hi, Sakshi.
Hello, sir.
Hello, friends. Welcome to this Talk with Topper session. Today, we have Sakshi with us, Sakshi Varerkar with us, and she has got admission in Welingkar College, one of the best colleges in Mumbai. One of the best colleges in Mumbai, Welingkar Institute. She has got admission in that. And Sakshi, congratulations and welcome to the Talk with Topper session. How do you feel now?
Thank you, sir. I feel great to be in one of the top colleges of Mumbai. It's a great feeling. So yeah, overall, it's a good feeling. I'm feeling good that I got admission in Wellington.
That's great. And what was your family's reaction when they they got to know okay, you have got admission in Welingkar Institute?
They're happy. They're very happy. I had a gap year of 1 year, so I was only preparing for entrance exam. So they're finally happy that I got a call from a good college from Wellinkers. So yeah, even they have a great reaction to this.
Great, great, great. How did B EduCARE help you in all this process of getting into from start beginning till getting into Wellinkar?
Um, from starting, like when I came to know that B EduCARE is one of the classes that's providing MBA entrance exam classes. So I had a talk with Raj sir. So he suggested me that you can give it a shot for CET, and then maybe next year you can try again when the actual for the academic year 2023. So CET 2022, I gave my first shot for CET, and Raj sir, it was very kind of Raj sir that he provided me with live lectures. So that helped me. So I gave my CET in 2022. There I scored 88 percentile. So from there, I pretty much had the confidence of knowing what is the syllabus, how do I have to prepare, what I have to practice. So that was online, and after that, the offline classes started. Even there, the faculty was great. So even for cons, for LR English, it has been a great experience. Doubts were always cleared. I also used to come for self-study sessions. So that was it was overall good. I could clear all my doubts. I was able to gain some tips and tricks. So yeah, B EduCare has always been very helpful. So after that, after I gave my CAT 2022, I did not give my CET in 23 because of course I got admission through CAT. So, but yeah, the chance that I got to give CET 2022 was really helpful.
Okay. So, and how was your preparation strategy? How many hours did you study every day for preparation kind of thing?
E-
Yeah.
for everyday Ella was one topic that I was very confident with. Even English cons I have always found very tricky. So I gave everything to my cons. I made sure that I am very clear with my basics. I know how to approach a question, how to solve a particular question. So the B Educare CET books, they are the questions in them are comparatively easier than the questions in the CAT book, of course, because CET's preparation is quite easier than CAT. So I made sure I'm solving all questions from CET books first so that my basics are clear. I know how to solve a particular question. So, and then I used to move towards CAT questions. So, yeah,
That's good.
I did not dedicate particular hours, but if there was a topic I was not confident with, I used to give my time to that.
That's great. That's great. Okay. And what are your future plans? By the way, in which domain are you pursuing your MBA?
Actually, there were three preferences. My preference one was PGDM core, then second was business design, and third was media and entertainment. I got a seat in media and entertainment, and after uploading my CMAT score, I'm waiting for betterment for PGDM business design. So currently I have media and entertainment, but I pretty much will get a PGDM business design. So I'm hoping for that.
That's great. That's great. Sure. Any message, one line message for upcoming CET and CAT aspirants?
Uh, I would only say that keep practicing, make your basics clear. It is very important to make your basics clear, because I remember when I used to be with my classmates, uh, uh, we had a break because of COVID, like in SYTY, we had a break. So our basics were not clear. So it is important that you make your basics clear,
Right.
so that it is always useful when your basics are clear. So just make your basics clear, practice and go through the questions. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much, Sakshi, and wish you all the best from our whole Be Educate team for all your future endeavors. Thank you. All the best.
Thank, thank you, sir.